Getting noticed on YouTube is no small feat, and for creators eager to boost their presence, understanding the true cost of YouTube views is essential. Let's break it down with the most up-to-date insights so you can make smart choices for your channel's growth. When it comes to acquiring YouTube views, the price can vary significantly depending on your approach and goals. If you're considering official YouTube ads, you'll typically pay between $0.03 and $0.30 per view, with the average falling in the $0.10 to $0.30 range. This means reaching 100,000 views could cost you anywhere from $3,000 to $30,000, depending on factors like your target audience, ad format, and competition in your niche. YouTube offers several ad formats, each with its own pricing model. Skippable in-stream ads, which viewers can skip after 5 seconds, are often the most budget-friendly, costing just $0.01 to $3 per view. Non-skippable ads and bumper ads are charged per 1,000 impressions, typically ranging from $4 to $12 CPM, depending on your targeting and competition. But what about buying views directly from third-party providers? Here, the range is even wider. At Famety, you can choose between high-quality views, priced around $998 each, and premium quality views for about $398 per view. The premium tier comes from highly active, genuine users who are more likely to engage with your content, potentially delivering likes, comments, or even new subscribers along with those views. Several factors influence the cost: the quality tier you select, the number of views you buy, whether you bundle with other engagement services, and of course, your provider's reputation. Remember, cheap, bot-generated views might save cash up front, but risk falling off or even harming your channel's standing. For creators serious about sustainable growth, investing in real, high-quality views is the smarter play, giving your content the momentum it needs to break through and shine.